Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you have already read the title, it is about making my vision board in my 2024 planner. In this planner we are going to make our vision board. इसमें vision board के लिए एक separate space है जिसमें हम vision board अपना बनाएंगे and I will teach you how you can make your own vision board very easily. If you don't use any planner, you can make it on a simple canvas. Before making vision board, let's see what is vision board and how it helps us. In simple terms, vision board is a way of manifesting your dream life. Vision board can be physical or digital nowadays. You make a collage of different pictures जो आपके goals के साथ, आपकी dream life के साथ align करते हैं and you paste them together. जो भी चीज़ें हम देखते हैं, जो भी goals हम चाहते हैं, जो भी success हम पाना चाहते हैं future में, you really have to visualize everything. So for that we will use Pinterest and we'll search in these three categories. And here I will show you how you can do it very easily. You just have to write the term and write aesthetics after that. For example, I am taking makeup aesthetics and you will get so many pictures from which you can choose your favorite and just save it into your pin. Then like this you will search for other terms like money aesthetics, travel aesthetics and your personal goals, whatever you want to achieve. You can write aesthetics after that and the pictures will come. Just save those pictures in the pin. Then we will download it and get it print. You just have to tap the picture and you will get a pin sign there. You can save it directly to your vision board pin and it is that easy. And here are all the pictures that I resonate with and I have printed them. You can use a photo paper. I have printed it on a normal paper. Then there are three things that you will need to make a vision board. First your canvas, then a scale, a paper cutter and some glue or glue stick if you have. We will directly place the scale on the picture and I'm going to cut it with the help of paper cutter. If you are a minor, please be careful with this. Or you can use scissors, they are easy. We will cut all the pictures very nicely and I will show you everything in time lapse so you can understand better. Once the picture cutting is done, then comes the next part. Take a plain canvas, a sheet or you have any diary. I am placing it on my planner and then just randomly put the picture where you think they will look good. Try to make a theme if possible with your pictures. As you can see, I have more of blue pictures and the blue theme is going on in my planner. Like this, you can choose your color like pink or purples, the more tones you want in your planner to look. By just placing the picture, you will get an idea how they will look all in all. And after the selection and final placement, you can just paste them with the help of a glue stick or gum. After pasting pictures, you can paste all the quotes you want to. For example, I have cut down this quote and I'm gonna paste it here. It looks very good. And some more quotes here and there to make a storyline. They will fill up the extra space. Also, it will give a storyline to your vision board. And last, I'm taking this sticker sheet that comes with my planner. I'm gonna paste some of them and write. I really like this evil eye, so I'm gonna paste it. It also matches my theme very perfectly. You can add some more stickers if you have space and that matches to your planner. Last and the final step is to recognize if you have anything that can look good with the theme going on, like old flowers and some cutting of butterflies or some raw flowers like this. These small things make a big difference and also looks very aesthetic. And this is the final vision board, guys. We have done it all together and you can see how easy and creative this is. You can make it small, you can make it big, you can make it however you like it. Just keep some things in mind and you're gonna make a vision board of your dreams that can make you visualize everything you want. And with that, this video comes to an end. I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, be beautiful, be kind to others. Bye.